Trading around the 5 cents range, LCX remains one of the top cryptos to move from a few cents to $1 and more. FYI, a token price doesn't say much without knowing its market cap. In this case, LCX has a total supply of 950 million tokens. This gives it a market cap of $950 million if it hits $1 per token. Welcome back to Investor Vibe. My name is Philip, and if you are a subscriber, thanks for being here. If you are not, please go ahead and subscribe if you are interested in market analysis. My focus is on long term, and that's why I try to look for the next big thing. So guys, if you are new here, subscribe, hit on the notification bell, and let's just dive in. All right, LCX is more than a crypto exchange. It is a global financial technology that focuses on advanced trading tools, the tokenization of assets, and the security token offerings. The company currently provides a trading platform, LCX Terminal, a centralized exchange for crypto assets and security tokens, LCX Exchange, a tokenization platform, LCX Assets, and has plans to develop additional offerings that includes institutional-grade custodian solution. LCX received a business trading license from the Ministry of Economic Affairs in November 2018. The company is regulated by the Financial Market Authority, Liechtenstein, in accordance with the Token and Trusted Service Provider Act, more popularly known as the Blockchain Act. The team aims to build the new infrastructure for digital finance, focusing on all aspects of compliance and regulation, investing to build AML and KYC technology solutions at the institutional and consumer level, including on-chain analytics and surveillance for all crypto deposits and withdrawal. LCX is continuously engaging with policymakers, regulators, and financial institutions, and will routinely participate in financial and security audits, as well as regulatory compliance reviews. It holds 8 regulatory registrations by the Financial Market Authority based in Liechtenstein, like I have said already. It operates a compliant token sale launchpad. The token offering service is designed to handle all the tech and legal aspects of digital assets offering. Every blockchain-based platform needs to have its own token, right? So in case of LCX, well, it sounds similar to the name of the project itself. So it is the LCX token. It is a utility token and is built on Ethereum. So it is an ERC20 token, which means that it is used for trading fees. It's used basically like how most exchange cryptocurrencies work, like Binance token and KuCoin, etc. You can use it as well as subscription charges and also for custodian fees, processing fees, and holders will get a range of bonuses such as discounts on exchange fees. So what it means is the more adoption grows and the more people start using the cryptocurrency exchange, the more people will demand these tokens because they will need it to pay for these services and for the discounts that it will come with. There are a lot of things happening in cryptocurrencies right now and a lot of partnership. In LCX case, they have a partnership with System 9 and it's for market making, and it helps in user growth and adoption and also for product development. System 9 provides services to some of the top cryptocurrency exchanges. These include Binance, FTX, Huobi, KuCoin, Bitfinex, OKX, like, all these big names. So it means how big LCX is or could be in the next few years. It has some of the best partnerships that is necessary. Partnership is not just about the names, but it's also about what these teams provide in building the ecosystem. So in infrastructure, it has partnership with many brands. These include Hedera, Hashgraph, Chainlink, so Animoca brands. All these are here to help. And it goes beyond that. When it goes to policy, it has World Economic Forum here. Well, I'm not their biggest fan. I have a lot of criticism for them, but if a cryptocurrency startup can have the recognition, it means they are doing something that the top guy seems useful or something. I don't know. So something of that sort. And we have Quant Network here. A lot is going on. Legal and regulation. Grant Thornton is one of the biggest audits and accounting firms out there, and they have them as their external auditors. So looking at what it has accomplished in this short term, it has gotten a listing on Coinbase and it is listed on cracking. Getting listed on Coinbase was a big deal. Here is the team of LCX, from the founder to the advisors and everything. Monty is very, very active on Twitter. I would say give him a follow if you're interested in LCS. You will be informed of a lot of things happening. We have the founder of Wikipedia. If you follow LCS, then you are aware of this already, Jimmy Wells. And Yatsu. It's important to have all these big names here. So guys, many people have talked about this photo, about how it is important because it shows the face of CEO of Coinbase. So so guys, welcome. I felt like I needed to bring this out. LCX exchange is, in my opinion, is going to be one of the top cryptocurrencies exchanges if regulation becomes a thing in the next few years. And I feel like some of us can agree that governments are going to crack down on this type of things. So at least in Europe, I feel like it is going to make waves. It's a big market in Europe. So if they get a bigger share of that market, then it's going to help. And they've already started with regulations. So well, let's see what happens. Yeah, this is what I wanted to bring to your attention. You can get the tokens. Right now, it's trading at 0.48, well, about 5 cents, like I said earlier. So it has a fully diluted market cap of 45 million, almost 46 million. Usually, always actually, I use the maximum supply. In this case, is the total supply. I don't know if it equates to the maximum supply, because if there is no inflation that can exist beyond this number, then this also remains the maximum supply, but I don't know yet. So I'll try and find out and update that in my next video about LCS. So guys, like recently, I've been very, very consistent with my videos. And like I said earlier, I'm much more interested in the long-term views of cryptocurrencies. I do the fundamental analysis. Usually I look at what is required of a cryptocurrency to be successful, and I apply those specifics to each cryptocurrency that I'll review. LCS is one of those cryptocurrencies that I think is going to do very well in the long term. But don't take my word for it, right? Go ahead, do your own research. Remember, this is not a financial advice. This is just to inform you of the opportunity that exists here. So you go ahead, do some further research, and let me know in the comment section whether you agree or you disagree. Full disclosure, I own some LCX and I intend to get more. I intend to acquire more in the coming days, weeks, months, till the next bull cycle begins. So you might have seen it on the thumbnail, $10. Is it really possible? Well, let's look at it. At $10, it will be trading at 9.5 billion. So is it possible? Is it possible that LCS in the next bull cycle, I'm not talking about next year, I'm not talking about next 2 years, I'm not talking about next 5 years or 10 years, I'm talking about next bull cycle. Is it going to happen next year? Is it going to happen 2 years from now, right? You have to hold this token until next bull cycle, until investor sentiment change from this bearish scenario to a bullish scenario. That is when I'm looking at LCS hitting $5, $10, and even more. If institutions end up using LCX, then it's going to really, really matter to the ecosystem. So guys, yes, I think it's possible. Thank you for watching once again, and see you again. Bye.